Still using the Boost button to run Facebook ads? Here's what you need to know.
Boost Post. What it is. Boosting is quick and easy. You click a button, set your budget, and boom, your post reaches more people. But the problem? You get limited targeting, fewer ad formats, and almost no control over optimization. Ads Manager, the pro tool. Ads Manager lets you choose exact objectives, like traffic, leads, or sales. You get full control over your audience, placement, budget, and performance tracking. So, use Boost for quick engagement. But for serious business growth, always use Ads Manager. Follow for more digital marketing tips and stop wasting your ad budget.